Richard Nolasco! Of a song playing so softly in my heart. I reach for you. You seem so near, yet so far. I hope and I pray you'll be with me. Hello, someday. I know down inside you are mine, and I'm your true love. Or am I dreaming? Everybody now. Each time I try to say goodbye, you were there. You look my way, I touch the sky. We can share tomorrow and forevermore. I'll be there to love you so. You're my soul. Hello. I know for sure that we were meant to fall in love. Look in your eyes, I know what you're thinking of. I try not to say the words to say you where I know down inside you're mine and I'm your true love. Or am I dreaming? How can I? Each time I try to say goodbye, you are there. You look my way, I touch the sky. We can share tomorrow and forever. I'll be there to love you so. You're my soul. You are my soul. We can share tomorrow and forever. I'll be there to love you so. You're my soul. You're my soul. Thank you very much. Good evening, everyone. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Ako po ay lubos na nagagalak at ako po ay naimbitahan ngayong gabi para po sa padispedida ng ating minamahal na si Kong Len na magse-celebrate ng kanyang 18th birthday. Yes. 18th ba? 15th? Basta pag umabot ka atas ha? 28, oo. When you reach a certain age, you know, bumabalik ka na. Bumabalik ka na patalikod, paatras. Pati isip mo, gano'n na rin. No, but I really am very happy to be here, to be part of this wonderful celebration. Lahat ba tayo ay natutuwa? Mabuti naman. Ano ba yung naaamoy ko? Chicharon ba yun? Oo, parang pahingi naman, oh. Kaya lang gout is real. Rayuma and gout is real. When you also reach a certain age, hindi masyadong halata sa fest, di ba? But rayuma is real. Yes. Mahirap tumayo. Ganon! Pero, fight pa din. Laban pa din. Di ba? So anyway, I'd like to sing another song which ni-record ko way back. Ano ba to? Nasa 2000 na ba to? Parang hindi. Nasa 90s pa to. Mga nasa 90s pa to. Kailan lang? Mga 2 years ago. Ganyan. Oo. And I'd like to dedicate this to, of course, our birthday celebrant, the lovely Pabata ng Pabata. Ay! Yes, Kong Len. Oo. Ang ganda-ganda mo ngayon kasi kanina nakita namin siya, kakagising lang daw niya. Sabi niya, ang pangit-pangit ko, hindi ko yun. Fresh. Always fresh. Anyway, this is for you and for everybody. I hope you guys will enjoy this one. At sa mga baklang sa gilid, good luck. After you go, I can catch up on the reading. After you go, I have a lot more time for sleeping. And when you go, looks like things are gonna be a lot easier. Life would be breezier. Really should be glad that I'm good and blue. Sadder than sad. You're the only light this empty room is in my head. Life without you is gonna be blue, but I'm blue. After you go, I have a lot more room in my closet. After you go, I'll stay out all night long if I feel like it. And when you go, looks like things are gonna be a lot easier. Life would be breezy. I really should be glad that I'm good and blue. Sadder than sad. You're the only light this empty room is in my hand. Life without you is gonna be blue, but I'm blue. Changing numbers on my telephone, but tonight it should be colder, and I'm everybody now. Sadder than sad. You're the only life this empty room has ever had. Life without you is gonna be blue, but I'm blue. Blue than blue. Blue than blue. Thank you very much. Hello. Oh my gosh. You got so big. Si Bim. Yeah, at saka si Kuya Josh. Yes, I know. Is your mom still calling you Bim? Okay, I'm glad you didn't change your name. Yes, I will say, oh my God, he got so big. He's a whole other person. When are you going back? 2 days back. Oh, I'm glad you're here. It's nice to see you. Say hi to your mom. All right. Happy birthday again to our beloved Congresswoman, Len Alonte. Thank you for having me here. I hope you have a wonderful and blessed birthday. Obviously, a lot of people loves you here. And alam ko na marami kang nagawa sa lugar na ito. That's why all these people are here to celebrate with you. So happy birthday. Have a wonderful time and God bless you. Oh, bakit? At sa mga baklang sagigilid ulit, good luck. Di ko pansin ng bituin pagkapiling ka sinta. Kahit liwanag ng buwan sa gabi, di ko na masisita. Iisa lang ang naghaharing tala sa mundo, at ikaw lang, tanging ikaw, sinta. Ikaw ang tunay na ligaya. Umaga habang kahit magdamag, laging ikaw sinta. Hindi magsasawa sa piling mo. Basta lang unti-unting tumitila, ikaw rin magpapaalam na. Maaari bang minsan pa mahagkangkat, maiduyan pa sa bibigat, ulan lamang ang saksi. Huwag nang tumigil pa. Hatid mo may bagyo, dalain ito ng puso ko. Sumasamo, pag-ibig ko'y maabaw, damdamin ko'y umiiyak sa tuwa. Tuwing umuulan at kapiling ka, everybody now. La la la, la la la, la la la, la la la. Maaari ba minsan ba mahagkan ka, maiduyan ba sa bibigat, ulan lamang saksi. Minsan parang bumuskat, huwag nang tumigil ba. Hatid mo may bagyo, dalangin ito ng puso ko. Sumasamo, pag-ibig ko'y maaba, damdamin ko'y umiiyak sa tuwa. Tuwing umuulan at kapiling ka, araw-gabi nasa napapanaginip ka. Kahit saan magpunta, araw-gabi, nalalasing sa tuwa. Kapag kapiling ka, araw-gabi tayong dalawa. Biruin mo na sa akin ang nais kong ipahatid. Dapat mo lamang mabatid naman itong dibdib. Tila sampung daang awitin ang natapos kong likhain. Ito ang tunay na damdamin, tanggapin at tingin. Napapanaginip ka. Kahit saan nagpunta, araw-gabi, nalalasing sa tuwa. Kapag kapiling ka, araw-gabi tayong dalawa. Napapanaginip ka. Kahit saan magpunta, araw-gabi, nalalasing sa tuwa. Kapag kapiling ka, araw-gabi tayong dalawa. Araw-gabi dumarating ikaw sila, hindi magsasa sa piling ko. Tanging ikaw, sinta, hindi magsasawa sa piling ko. Thank you very much. Have a good night, everyone.
Best friend Jim Velasquez ang klase! Sama ako. Ayan. Oo. Ayan. Para may ilaw.